If you are so serious about making money, this is the channel for you.
Hello there and welcome into this lecture in which we're going to prompt ChatGPT to generate the Leonardo AI designs or Leonardo AI prompts that will enable us to generate these particular designs. And we're going to put the prompts here in the file in this particular space. So I'm going to go ahead right here and copy this particular prompt, right? That says now for each design, or for each design of each collection, write a Leonardo AI prompt that can generate those designs without text in them. Leave the text empty because I will add it myself using specific fonts related to each text, because I don't want it to put the text in the prompt, because Leonardo AI is, or any AI for that matter, even Midjourney, they're horrible. When you ask them to put text inside of a design, they'll always botch it. So don't rely on them. And besides that, there is a tool called Placeit, which we can use to add very, very specific prompts. And there are also other websites like Creative Fabrica in which you can go, but it's a membership website. You have to pay about $29.99 per month, in which you can download all the fonts that you need in the world. And with the help of Canva, you can actually use those fonts and put those fonts on the t-shirt. We'll explore all kinds of scenarios, so just stay tuned for it. So here, as you can see, it has basically generated the prompt. So for this particular one, this is the prompt: a cartoon-style illustration of a dog and a cat snuggling together with heartwarming and friendly vibe. So I'm going to copy it right here and then just simply click on Control-V, paste it here. And then we're going to move on to the next one, which is an artistic representation of a paw print with mirror effect showcasing a balance of simplicity and elegance. And then basically I'm going to copy this and place it right here. So these prompts, it's as simple as copy pasting them on Leonardo AI, and it will generate the designs for you that you can be able to use on Redbubble. So now that you know how you can generate the design, the text that you have to put in the design, the prompt, the elements that are targeted by this design. So for example, the first one here, we can add it to t-shirts, mugs, and pet bandanas. T-shirts, the next one is t-shirts, hoodies, and reflective pet bags. And so that, and for the pet lovers collection, that's very interesting. I already went ahead and did some research and found out that these are very interesting categories in which I can create my products. And I just selected sustainable and eco-friendly collection, personal development and mindfulness collection, and then basically the nostalgia and retro collection. These are the ones that I'm going to create. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I empty these files for you, because you need to use this particular file. I'm going to place it. I have placed it in the past or the previous lecture. You'll find it there as soon as you go to it. You can find it. All you need to do is to place your elements, and that's it. So you just fill the blanks like I filled. Very simple file. So now let's go ahead, and into the next lecture, I'm going to introduce you to Leonardo AI, as well as I'm going to be linking to the copyright rules of Leonardo AI that you have to abide by when creating images. We're going to have a discussion about copyright, and there are some things that you have to be mindful of regarding copyright. See you in the next lecture.